Go. Ooh. Ah. Oh. Drilling into a perfectly good Z06. That stupid giraffe back there just looking on, mocking us. So, we're just gonna do one at a time.
I just want to see if it's even big enough.
Some test fitting going on here. How's it? How are we looking?
I don't know if it can really go all the way down because the other one's gonna hit, but we'll probably have to drill all three at least before we can check it out.
Well, you could just do the other middle one.
No, because the second one out hits before I can even
Oh.
get this one to go down. So I think we have to do all three at least on the left.
So I couldn't drill my own car, so Andrew was more than happy to volunteer. Oh, son of a bitch. A little of my soul dies every time that drill goes in.
It's for the better.
I mean, because you need a wing. You know, that's at least another 15 horsepower, I think.
This one's really gummy. Yeah. Okay.
Great.
Hopefully we hit some electrical in there. I think we can sink this now, maybe.
Let's see how are we doing?
It could be too small, honestly. We have to widen it out a little bit. Yeah, I'm thinking we have to widen it a bit.
Oh, more drilling. Oh no.
Just gonna film this whole thing.
I am.
All right.
Because I need to know for insurance purposes when it goes through. I'm going after your insurance. We are in your house, and the gorgeous A-Spec RDX back there, the real star of this. I want one of these. Andrew, I will trade you my TSX for Katie's car. What do you think?
I'm gonna go with a no.
God damn it. I thought we were pals. Dude, that's a big drill bit you're using on the car there.
Like 1/32 bigger. It's probably not even making much of a difference. I'm not even seeing much shave away. I think you might need to go even bigger.
Damn it.
I don't know.
Dude, I don't want to go bigger.
We have to. Just think, like, we were lining up the drill bit size at the bottom of these screws, but once it gets to the threading, they get wider, so it might be even bigger.
How are we looking?
We're falling in a little bit. No, it's hitting the threads of them. Yeah, let's go bigger.
Shaking my head at you, sir.
Sorry. These are way up. 1564.
Oh, here we go. Damn it.
Parts.
So, this Andrew, who's this project sponsored by?
LW Meyer?
Yeah, gotta get the sponsors in there. One of their, for everyone, one of the managers at LW Meyer is very generous when it comes to giving out free stuff. And yeah, not to throw anyone under the bus, but Greg, we could use more free stuff, by the way. So, kudos to you. Oh, God. Hey, Calvin. What's going on? You helping us? A little bit? Yeah. See, soon, Calvin, your dad are gonna be working on his car. You're gonna hear him doing a lot of swearing. And then he's gonna drop stuff on his feet, and it's gonna be hilarious. And you're gonna laugh.
Yeah, he does.
He already does, yeah.
I mean, he's already eating motor oil, so. Sorry about that, Katie.
That's okay.
That thing. Oh, baby. That is some fine engineering. This is, some serious GM quality here with that gap.
Need a parachute for the back now.
Oh, we do. Definitely need a parachute.